Hi, I'm Dashan.
Hi, I'm Cayce.
Our project is called Blow the Balloon, a fun single-player risk game. As the title suggests, the objective of the game is to blow a balloon as many times as possible, earning 1 point for every time the balloon is blown. However, blowing too much will result in the balloon popping, which will earn the player 0 points. First, I'll choose a color. I'll choose red. Now, to inflate, I'll click this button. I'll try to do it as many times as possible. Oh no, the balloon popped. Sadly, I earned 0 points.
Now I will show you what happens when the balloon doesn't pop. This time I'll choose the color blue. Now I will be careful and try not to pop the balloon. The balloon is finished and it flies away.
And that's it for our game Blow the Balloon. Hope that you enjoyed.